Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Err SSL Protocol error in the Google Chrome browser. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type Internet Options. Then you have to click on Internet Options under the Best Match. Now, once you click on that, this window will appear, the Internet Properties window, which is the General Security, Privacy, Content, Connections, Programs, and the Advanced tab. Now, click on the Content tab, and here you'll find the Certificates, Clear SSL State. Click on that. The SSL cache was successfully cleared. Simply click on OK. Then you have to click on the Advanced tab. In here, simply scroll down, and you will find Security. Now make sure to check this box, use SSL 3.0, use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, use TLS 1.2, use TLS 1.3. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK. And after that, finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, then you need to launch the Chrome browser again and then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.